The UltraQ comes equipped with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities to remotely monitor and control your cook from anywhere. But if you don't have a phone or tablet on hand, you can still make the most of your UltraQ. Begin by plugging in the pit probe. Next, insert the food probe, followed by the fan. Before powering your controller, be sure to assemble the power pack correctly. Align the key for the positive and negative leads between the power pack body and the cable plug to ensure correct configuration. Improper assembly may result in permanent damage to your device. After powering your controller, each probe's corresponding LED will illuminate on the UltraQ to indicate that the probes are seated correctly into the jacks. If any of the probe LEDs do not illuminate, the probe may be faulty. All the critical aspects of your cook can be controlled from the UltraQ's 3 side buttons. First things first, we need to set the pit temperature. By default, the pit set point is 250 degrees Fahrenheit. To set a new target temperature, hold the select button down until the digital display begins to blink. Once it does, use the up and down buttons to adjust the temperature for your cook. This will change the temperature by 1 degree increments. But if you hold in the up or down button, the temperature will begin to increase or decrease by 5 degree increments. When the temperature is at the desired set point, push the select button to lock the temperature in. The UltraQ can monitor up to 3 food temperatures per cook. Each of the lower left LEDs indicate a probe and will illuminate when selected. The tail on the right will also show the corresponding color depending on which probe is selected. When the tail LED is red, the screen will display the current pit temperature. When the tail is yellow, food 1's temperature is displayed. When the tail is green, the temperature of food 2 is displayed. When the tail is blue, the temperature displayed is food 3. To change a food's done temperature, first press the select button to cycle from the current screen to the food temperature you want to change. We'll change food 2. Press and hold the select button for 2 seconds until the LED display begins to blink. Use the up or down buttons to select your desired food done temperature by following the same instructions for setting the pit temperature. To continuously cycle through the temperatures, press and hold the down button for 2 seconds. The display will cycle through each temperature in 2-second intervals. When a food has reached its done temperature, the controller will sound an alarm. When this happens, push any button to silence the alarm.